In just the last 30 minutes, the Denver Public School Board voted unanimously to end its relationship with Denver police and eliminate school resource officers on campus.
The decision comes after hours of passionate debate, and we've heard from so many of you and your diverse opinions about the direction DPS is taking.
Today, we have spoken to district leaders, students, parents, counselors, teachers, and school board members as part of our in-depth 360 reporting on the controversial topic. And that reporting continues. 7's Gary Brode live at DPS headquarters. Gary?
Yeah, after 4 hours of the board listening to parents, teachers, principals, even some officers themselves, they decided to unanimously vote to eliminate school resource officers from schools. A resource.
In order to keep our kids safe, we have to have the correct resources in our building, and that is our resource officer.
Or a detriment.
I am here to ask you to vote yes to remove police.
Parents voicing their concerns with school resource officers at Thursday night's virtual school board meeting.
As someone who grew up in DPS and seen the negative effects of that, I'm glad my child will hopefully experience different in that aspect.
The plan to remove SROs will bring changes by New Year's Eve this year, with the termination of the school system's contract with the Denver Police Department, also removing 25% of officers from schools by that time. And by June 4th, 2021, all officers removed from schools.
Please hear me when I say that I truly appreciate each and every one of you for using your voice and influence as a board to fight for what is right, accelerate change, showing up for the Black communities.
As part of the resolution, security guards are not allowed to replace the then removed SROs. Some opposing the removal, believing officers in the building are not the root of the racial injustice in the city, including this DPS teacher.
I've been in my building for 6 years. I've never observed our resource officer policing our building in any way. I've seen him at lunch, I've seen him in the halls, I've seen him in student staff basketball games, I've seen him in all kinds of more of those fun communal roles.
The money saved, around $750,000, would be allocated to mental health and education.
A counselor is not going to help the kids if somebody's in the school with a gun.
Denver school superintendent says our students need to trust the adults who are on our campuses with them. I appreciate the board's forcefulness and tenacity in bringing the issue forward. In Denver, Gary Brode, Denver 7.
And we check to see where the other districts in the area stand on school resource officers. Douglas County Schools says they value school resource officers and they are grateful to have their support, saying they are much more than an officer in school. They connect with students on a personal level. We also reached out to Jeffco Schools, Aurora, Cherry Creek School District, and Brighton 27J. We're still waiting to hear back from them. And if we missed your perspective on whether school resource officers still should be walking the halls, please email us. Don't hesitate. 360@thedenverchannel.com or leave a message on Facebook or Twitter.